Hey guys, welcome back to Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. One of the things I wanted to show you on part 3 of the bar was when we were talking about how we were going to clear coat the bottle caps on top. Now as you can see right now, we started already and we've got some areas where they're completely submerged, some areas where they're not completely submerged, and then some places we haven't even started yet. And one of the things that I told you guys before, which was making sure that you use this stuff and you brushed it on here first to set the bottle caps so that they don't raise when you start to fill in the epoxy, and then it becomes a big issue. So right now we're doing the last layer where we're going to actually put the epoxy and fill it up above the bottle caps. It's a time-consuming situation. You got to make sure that you're just watching where you're putting the material, and that you're filling up above the bottle caps. It'll self-level itself, but you want to make sure that you're getting it where you want it so that you're not overdoing it. One of the other things I wanted to tell you guys too, as we're doing this, is that before you put this epoxy on, you want to make sure that you seal all the corners with caulking so that none of this stuff starts to seep through and go through the bottom section and you lose your epoxy. That's one of the things you got to make sure that you do before you start to pour this stuff. Alright, so stay tuned, and I'm going to show you guys the after when everything is done and it's completely dry and cured, and how good it's going to look. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I've got a lot more stuff that we're going to be doing. It's going to be cool stuff. Christmas is coming, so I want to show you some really cool stuff for Christmas. Thanks again.